Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Lego bricks at home easy guide. Start by gathering ABS pellets, colorant, a small injection mold, and safety gear. Dry pellets to remove moisture and preheat your heater to the recommended melt range. Mix color evenly, feed into the injector, and press into the mold with steady pressure. Cool parts fully, then trim flash and test for clutch fit. Gather only quality ABS pellets, pigment made for plastics, and a small benchtop injector or mold clamp. Always work in a ventilated area and use heat-resistant gloves and eye protection. Monitor temperatures with an accurate thermometer and never leave heaters unattended. Keep a fire extinguisher handy and avoid loose clothing around equipment. Prioritizing safety lets you focus on making clean, consistent bricks without risking injury. Preheat your mold and dry ABS pellets thoroughly to avoid steam pockets and weak spots. Maintain a steady melt temperature and inject material with consistent pressure to fill all cavities. Allow parts to cool in the closed mold until solid to prevent warpage, then open carefully and remove runners. Trim excess, flash with a utility tool, and lightly sand surfaces for a clean finish that fits with commercial bricks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.